Class 8th, Chapter 9, Long Answer Type Questions. Question 1. Differentiate between external and internal fertilization. Give two examples of each. Now, children, come to its answer. External fertilization takes place outside the body of male and female individual. Here, the male and female individual release their gametes outside their body. They liberate their gametes in water. For example, fish and frog. They liberate or release gamete outside in water. Fertilization takes place in water. Internal fertilization. This takes place inside the female body. The male discharges gamete inside the female body. For example, human, cattle, cat, dog. In all these, internal fertilization take place. Question number 2. Write short note on the following. First is fertilization and B part is changes seen in boys and girls on reaching puberty. Now first we give answer of A part, fertilization. When the sperm and ovum fused together, a new cell called zygote is formed. This process of fusion of the sperm and ovum or egg is called fertilization of the egg. Now B part, secondary sexual characters in males and females. First we describe secondary sexual character in males. Now these are, first is deepening of voice. The voice become very deep. Second is muscles development. Muscles development take place. Third, growth of pubic hair and hair on face and other parts of the body. Secondary sexual characters in female. First is enlargement of breast. Second, development of hips. Hips become more rounded. Now growth of pubic hair take place. Voice becomes shrill. Beginning of menstrual cycle take place. And this cycle occurs after 28 or 30 days every month. So these are the secondary sexual character in males and females. Now question number 3. Explain the process of embryonic development after fertilization in human. Now its answer, after fertilization the zygote keeps dividing many times by the process of cell division. The zygote soon forms a ball of cells when it moves from the oviduct to the uterus. The zygote develops into an embryo by splitting into two by the method of cell division. Then the two parts become four and the four cells again divide to form 8-celled embryo. On further development, different groups of cells are formed having various shapes and size. After 8 weeks, the embryo develops different types of cell. This embryo gets fixed to the walls of the uterus by placenta, and now it starts getting food, oxygen from the mother's body.